right now we are having a tour, checking around how the school looks like. Actually, the problem that they are facing is very interesting, and really looking forward to come up with some really good ideas.
Our team has plenty of ideas, and the challenge for now is to develop those ideas at the stage that they can be used in the future at school. We're all very happy, even though we're getting very tired.
It has been a very exciting process we have been through already. I can see they come up with a lot of different ideas. Some of them are very good, but what they need right now is actually to structure them. They are working, they are a bit frustrated because it is close to deadline. They have to work during the night, I guess. But I'm sure they will come up with some very good possibilities for the school in the morning.
I'm very impressed by the students and the whole process. For me, the result was not the main point. The process were what I found most interesting. And I think we and our students can learn a lot about this way to work.
We believe that it went really well. Seemed that our customer, the school, is really happy and satisfied, and they got a whole bunch of really good ideas from us. And we're willing to see how many of our ideas going to be implemented and how the area as well as the school going to improve by our ideas.
When we left them in the evening yesterday, I was a bit nervous, not serious, but anyway a bit nervous about how they could manage during the night. When I compare it to last year, when we have a similar process with the hospital here in Horsens, I think they did almost the same, they worked in the same way. But of course the people are different, and because of that they have different frustration, different experience during the 48 hours. But in the end, you know, I trust the project and the way of controlling and working with ideas like they did here, so I'm quite happy about the result.
Det har været et rigtig spændende forløb. Den udfordring vi havde var jo en udfordring med, at vi sådan set har arbejdet med i de sidste 2 år. Så et innovationsprojekt har vi ikke prøvet før. Jeg synes, de studerende har gjort et rigtig godt stykke arbejde. Vi måske skal have et nyt samarbejde med Studentervæksthuset om et nyt innovationsprojekt, som vi godt kunne tænke os, og som vi har en udfordring på, og som vi godt kunne tænke os at samarbejde med. Stor ros til de studerende og til dem, vi har samarbejdet med på VIA for det her projekt. Det har virkelig været godt. Så vi glæder os til at komme i gang med at implementere noget af det.